Hello, very good morning. Welcome back, dears. Okay, so we have seen in our last two videos about chapter number 7. Okay, has been taken from your supplementary book. Okay, and the name of the lesson, the last leaf. Okay, and the lesson is written by O. Henry. Okay, so we'll see about the lesson. We have to discuss on some points. On the basis of the points, we'll understand the lesson well. Okay, so the points were, okay, number one, two friends, Sue and Johnsy. So it is a story of two friends. Okay, they both lived together in a small flat of a building. Okay, and on third floor. Okay, so they had a good friendship between Sue and Johnsy. Okay, and they were fast friend. Okay, and they lived in a small flat, and both the girls were artists. Okay, and they made painting for their living. Okay, so they spend their time very well, and they both have a good friendship. Okay, and so once what happened, so once the Johnsy, okay, the girl, I'm talking about the girl, Johnsy. Okay, Johnsy fell ill. Okay, she falls ill, and she does not get well for a long time. Okay, because she had fixed her mind. Okay, she was suffering from pneumonia. Okay, she was suffering from pneumonia, and she was lying on the bed, and she fixed her mind, okay, towards the falling of ivy leaves, towards the falling of creeper plant. Okay, because she was lying on the bed, and she does not get well for a long time. She was suffering from she had been suffering from pneumonia. So while she was lying on the bed, so there was a window beside her bed, and she saw outside of the window. Okay, and from the window she could see a creeper plant. Okay, beside the wall, and the creeper plant's leaves, okay, falling every day. Okay, so she set her minds she set her mind towards falling leaves of that creeper plant. Okay, and she fixed her mind that she was thinking that when the last leaf of creeper plant will fall, so I would die definitely. Okay, so her friend Sue was very careful for her. Okay, she was caring for her, but she was worried for her. Okay, so she had anxiety in her mind because Johnsy had set her mind towards falling off creeper leaf. Okay, and she was thinking that she would die definitely when the last leaf of the creeper plant falls. Okay, so her friend Sue calls doctor. Okay, she called doctor, and doctor visited their flat. Okay, and doctor, after just checking, after checkup health, okay, doctor advised that she would not get well soon. Okay, she does not get well soon. Okay, because she falls ill, okay, for a long time, and she does not get well soon. Okay, and the medicines are also not helping her, because she set her mind towards the negativity and towards falling of leaves, and day by day leaves are falling. Okay, so day by day her health also going to fall. Okay, there is a great downfall in her health. Okay, as the leaves of that creeper plants are falling day by day. Okay, so she cannot improve herself because she was thinking negative. Okay, and that's why the medicines are not also helping her. Okay, so the doctor advised like this. Okay, and he cannot do anything for her. Okay, and he can be die. Okay, so then next point, she tries to make Johnsy interested in things. Okay, who? Sue. Sue tries to make her Johnsy interesting in things. Okay, so her friend Sue decided to save her life. Okay, and that's why she showed everything, okay, related to their friendship before Johnsy. Okay, she saw Johnsy their photographs, she saw Johnsy their albums, okay, their paintings, she saw everything to Johnsy, but Johnsy didn't respond. Okay, she didn't respond, she doesn't tell anything. Okay, and she didn't respond. Okay, so then what happened, Miss Sue was trying to keep her alive, keep her healthy and safe. Okay, but she didn't respond as she had fixed her intention, she had fixed her mindset, okay, towards falling of ivory leaves. Okay, ivy leaves. Next point, she gets to know about Johnson's strange belief. So when Sue gets to know about Johnson's mindset, as she had a mindset towards the falling of ivy leaves, and she thought that she would die. Okay, she thought that she would die as the last leaf of creeper falls. Okay, so she explained her everything, she asked to her everything. Okay, she advised her everything. Okay, and she tells to her that your thinking is wrong. Okay, you are thinking wrongly, you thinks wrong. Okay, you does not think, you did not think like that. Okay, you don't think like that. Okay, it is not true. Okay, you can't be, you cannot die. Okay, as the falling of creeper leaves, you cannot die like that. Okay, so you don't think like this, and it's a wrong way to think. Okay, so when she comes to know, she prevent her thinking negatively, she prevented Johnsy thinking negatively. Okay, then next, she tries to convince Johnsy. Okay, then she decided and she tries to convince Johnsy, and she explain affirmative, okay, before her. And sometimes she tells to Johnsy that the doctor has advised about you, you will get well very soon. Okay, she lies, okay, many times to Johnsy that the doctor has advised for you to get well soon. Okay, you will get soon. Okay, you will get well soon easily. Okay, but you should think affirmative. Okay, so she tries to convince. Then and she's trying and trying and trying, but Johnsy didn't respond, okay, on her request. So then what happened? Then Sue, okay, Johnsy friend, explain everything and share everything to an old painter. Okay, and whose name was Bahman. So he was old Bahman, his name was Bahman. Okay, and he was an old painter, and he understand the condition of Johnsy. Okay, Johnsy was not well, and she doesn't get well very soon. Okay, so then he decided to help Johnsy, he decided to save the life of Johnsy. So then he came to their flat. Okay, and he saw that there was a window, and out of the window beside the wall there was a creeper, and it was the day when the last leaf was going to fall. And if the leaf would fall, so Johnsy would die definitely, as she had fixed her mindset towards falling of creeper leaves. Okay, so she was at that time Johnsy was sleeping, and he saw that the last leaf fell down due to the storm, due to heavy rain. Okay, so then he decided to make an artificial leaf as it is the natural leaf. Okay, so he took the plastic paint. Okay, and in place of the natural leaf, the natural last leaf of that creeper, he made and he painted an artificial leaf, but the leaf was as it is, and it was looking like a real leaf. Okay, so he painted an artificial leaf in place of the real leaves. Okay, so then okay, so when he was painting, so it was a heavy rain there. Okay, and he had got wet. Okay, and then he had suffered from pneumonia, he had got pneumonia, as he was and he was painting in rain, he was painting in the heavy rain. Okay, so then he had suffered from pneumonia, and he had died. Okay, old Bahman had died, but it was the best and the last painting of old Bahman, and it was the best and supermost quality given by old Bahman in his whole life. Okay, so when the Johnsy wake up, Johnsy saw the last leaf was there, okay, last leaf was there on the wall, and it was as it is, and there was a heavy rain, but there was no effect of heavy rain on the last leaf. And last leaf also, and she can see that, okay, she could see that the last leaf was struggling, okay, for keeping itself safe and protective. So she came to know that, then she inspired from the last leaf, okay, which was struggling, okay, for keeping itself safe, but it was an artificial leaf painted by the old Brahmin, and it was looking like a natural leaf of creeper, okay. So she inspired from the last leaf, okay. Then she came to know that she must struggle for keeping herself safe, okay, and she must be alive, okay, and she must, okay, she would struggle, okay, for keeping her alive. So she decided in herself, okay, and she inspired from the last leaf, but the last leaf was the artificial one which was painted by the old Brahman. But Jhansi was sleeping, so she couldn't understand mm, that the leaf was not natural, it was artificial, okay. So she inspired from the leaf, and then she had decided to be alive, okay, and then she could struggle for keeping herself safe, okay, and she turned her mindset towards positivity, and she was thinking positively, okay, and she wanted to be alive, okay. So now when she turned her mindset uh, in positivity, and she had positive thinking, she wanted to keep herself safe, okay. So gets she gets well soon, okay, she gets well soon then, okay, she gets well soon. So then what happened, then in the last point, so at the last, her friend Sue, who had struggled a lot, okay, for altering Johnson's mindset, okay, and who called old Bahman, and old it was and the person was the old Bahman who had saved Johnson's life by making as it is leaf, okay, on the wall, okay. So then Johnsy just exposed everything what had happened with her, okay, and how she had won this battle, and how she had overcome on her mindset, okay, on her negative mindset. And she just exposed about the old Brahman and old Brahman's work, okay. So they both appreciate old Brahman's work, and old Brahman was the person who had sacrificed his life, okay, for keeping safe Jhansi, okay. So the person was old Brahman, and he was appreciated by Jhansi and both the girls, okay. They thanked the Lord to old Brahman, but he was not in the world, okay. He left the world on that day when he was making the painting, okay. So it was the best work of the old Brahman, okay, and which saved Jhansi's life, okay. So old Brahman was the person who saved Jhansi's life, okay. So it was the story, the last leaf, okay. We'll see the next concept in next class. Thank you.